Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Going to dive into Chainlink. Once again, thank you for your support. So I keep getting a lot of messages about Chainlink, so I'm going to lay down some TA for you, for those of you interested and been asking. So right now, basically just here, you see that Chainlink was in a rising wedge. It broke a key level of resistance right there and was beginning to start a new paradigm, because this level of resistance just here is a multi-year level of resistance for Chainlink. Okay, it's a massive level of resistance. You broke out, you was looking at a new paradigm, but then obviously, as you're fully aware, Chainlink, not just Chainlink, Bitcoin shit the bed, and it dragged everything down with it. And this way, sort of capitulation, you know, you came back down, you form these lows down here, and you're beginning to pick up. It's looking relatively strong for Chainlink at the moment. There are a couple of technical targets. Now, this particular event just here, as we start to break down and create this death cross here, the sell and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid, I did put an update on Twitter saying that technically Chainlink is coming down to this level here, and you can see, look, absolutely come down there and met the target. Now, there is a very bearish scenario here for Chainlink that I'm going to show you. Okay, if we do enter a bear market, because you're fully aware that there is a possibility, unless we break up of a key level of resistance for Bitcoin and crypto, there is still the possibility of a bear market. So I'm always going to tell you the truth. I'm not going to lie to you. We are looking at more upside across the board, but there is always the possibility of a bear market. So until we break that key level of resistance and start, most importantly, break this high, obviously, once we do that, there is still the possibility that you could sort of form this ABC correction and enter a bear market. Okay, do you see that? But so far, you've come down, you've carried out this correction down here, you've met the technical target of the correction down here, the falling wedge, the rising wedge, I do apologize. Boom, 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 broke down, target met, boom, bounced off it. Look at that. Wow, what a trade. Okay, down here on this, I posted this on Twitter. Check the Twitter. Okay, down here, you're currently up 76%. Beautiful trade, and a beautiful short as well for those that got that. But so far so good. It's came down, it's met the technical target. It is actually in another technical target to the upside. But what I'm going to do straight off the bat is show you the bearish scenario here for Chainlink, because potentially, I know this sounds awful, you have been in a massive multi-year rising wedge just here, which has tightened up here, and you're losing support. And if you do continue to enter a bear market here for Chainlink, this is where you do see a technical breakdown target down here. Okay, so this is the bear market scenario. I'm not saying it is, but there is always the possibility of a bear market. And if we do get that bear market, this is where usually for alts you see a 95+% correction. Okay, so if we do come down to this technical target of this larger rising wedge, this is where you could see the bear market scenario playing out for Chainlink, and potentially you could be looking at a $2.19 Chainlink token. And this is the bear market scenario. Check any bear market. When we enter a bear market, alts correct 95% in a bear market. So this is where you could see the capitulation for Chainlink, and this is where we could have actually broken out of a large rising wedge here, and we could actually be on our way to this potential target. Now, to invalidate this bear market scenario here for Chainlink, I'm not saying we are in a bear market, I'm just telling you that the possibility is there. Okay, to invalidate this Chainlink bear market scenario right here, okay, we do have to do one thing, and we have to come up and break this high. So you do need to see Chainlink come up and break $54.59 to invalidate this bear market scenario right now, because the bear market is still at play. It is still at play. We're not in a bear market, but until we start to lose this level of support and we still start to create some invalidation of an ABC, you know, the potential play is we could actually come down here for Chainlink. Not financial advice. So basically, to invalidate this right now, you've got to see Chainlink break key levels of resistance. I'm going to show you these key levels of resistance, because actually Chainlink at the moment is in a bullish pattern. Okay, so like I said to you, I do apologize about that noise. There's an alarm going off just there. You've created some falling wedge. So when you broke down of this rising wedge here for Chainlink, you've basically come down and met the technical target, which I posted on Twitter. Okay, once we start to break out of there and lose this rising wedge just there, you broke down, you come down to the technical target. That's been met. So in doing so, you've actually created a bullish reversal pattern just there, a falling wedge. Now this falling wedge has a technical target of just here. Okay, so this is where you could see potential. This is the destination of Chainlink at the moment, is this technical target of $32.69. So you could see a further continuation here, providing Chainlink can hold support. You could see a further continuation of around about 39% for Chainlink. Now what you do need to see, obviously, to invalidate the bear market scenario right here, because people are saying, if you check YouTube and all that crap, people are saying we're in a bear market. We're in a bear market. You know, we're actually in a bear market now. Sell everything and go to the beach. We're not in a bear market yet. If we start to lose key market structure, i.e. we start to come down below that, then the high probability of entering that bear market and coming down to that level there, that 95% correction in a bear market for alts, is on the table. But effectively at the moment, you're in a falling wedge. You're coming back up and you've got a technical target just there. Okay, so I'm going to drop this in for you. Just there for Chainlink of round about, let's get that knob on for you, round about $32 plus. Okay, so that's a technical target that Chainlink's in at the moment, and also providing you can hold the support right now at these EMAs, because you're almost forming this bullish cross here, this sell and go to the beat signal. Look, sell and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid, see you later, technical target met right now, bullish signal, buy and go to the signal beach from CoinsKid on the cusp of, if you can hold these EMAs and hold support, this is where you're going to see the 32k at 32k. Wow, $32.79 Chainlink token right there. Okay, so don't feed you no bullshit on this channel. It's pure technical analysis. So this is your low and this is your high, and this is where potentially you could see Bitcoin. This is potentially where you could see Chainlink come up now and carry on with this bull run and get the continuation and then that final wave up that we are anticipating for these projects. Okay, and Bitcoin, as you're fully aware in the channel, you've carried out a correction. You come down, you corrected, you bottomed out. This is how strong Chainlink is. It's in a bull market. It's come back up. It's holding support. You're almost on the cusp of forming a bullish cross, because if you do get to the technical target right here, you're coming up and you're invalidating this dead cat bounce right here, and you're coming up and you're breaking the golden ratio on your technical target of the falling wedge. Do you see that? So if you do that, the probability of coming down, bouncing up, hitting the dead cat bounce, 50% retracement, and entering a bear market for Chainlink and crypto is basically out the window. Okay, so you do need to see this technical target met, because if you do, you're breaking above the golden ratio right there for Chainlink, which gives you a high probability of creating something called a reversal wave. So right now, you've come back down, you've loaded out, you're retracing to a key level of resistance before creating a new impulsive wave down, entering that bear market. Do you see that? So if you lose this low just there, that's a bear market. Not now, not here. Okay, this is consolidation, looking for the leg up for the continuation of a bull market. I have to keep reminding people of that, because I keep seeing so many people say we're in a bear market. Until we break market structure or paint the signals of a bear market, we are not in a bear market, and I will keep saying that. So yeah, you've got to see this golden ratio broken, because if you do, there's a high probability you're going to come up and create a reversal wave, and you're going to be coming back up to where you create the high, and with that, you know, you have got an extension here for Chainlink where you would see the continuation of the bull market, and you would be looking at $132 Chainlink token in this next impulsive wave up, which is beginning to form right now, because this is a formation of an impulsive wave to the upside. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be like overnight. I want to reassure people of that. It's a long, bumpy ride, but providing you can retain support now of these EMAs, most importantly, create that buy and go to the beach signal, hold it as support, which is what Bitcoin's doing at the moment. It broke out, it came back and held the golden cross as support. If you can do that and break these levels of resistance above, this is where you're going to see the continuation for Chainlink. It's going to be bumpy, probably running to a level of resistance there, fall back, come back up, break it, you know, latter part of the year or wherever. We can't put a timestamp on it, but this is where potentially you could be looking at $132 Chainlink token in the continuation of the bull run. So full transparency, you know, that's pure technical analysis with you. Okay, no hopium or anything, no bear market hopium or bull market hopium. Break levels of resistance, you're looking at continuation. Lose support, you're looking at a bear market, aren't you? Take care, everyone. I'll be back tomorrow with another Chainlink update. I hope you enjoyed that little update, and that answers a lot of questions for those people that have been asking in the space. Okay, so yeah, that's a technical target for Chainlink, and obviously, if you do see the continuation here of the bull, you're looking at a further upside of around about 468% for Chainlink. And obviously, if you're a bit reserved, and this is what I keep telling people in the space, if you are a bit reserved and you're looking for a good entry point on Chainlink, personally, I would wait for a retest and a break of that high, because with that, you're looking at a beautiful little 139% long opportunity there on Chainlink. Okay, take care, everyone. And obviously, you know, the bearish scenario is if you do lose this support, you're looking at a multi-year downtrend for Chainlink, potentially coming down to that $2, and you're looking at a whopping 89% short opportunity and a correction across the board for Chainlink. So that's the bear and bull covered. Take care, everyone. Back tomorrow with an update. Stay healthy, stay strong, and thank you once again for your support across the channel. Bye bye.